In this video I am going to tell you how you can connect your LG TV with Android or iPhone using ThinkQ application. So first of all, you need to open your LG TV and you should be on the home dashboard of your TV. You need to use your TV remote and click on live TV, and then you will get an option of user guide. So make sure to click on live TV and then click on user guide. After that you will get a screen where you need to connect other devices. Just tap on this, then select mobile connection. So just tap on mobile connection. Now you can either connect your Android phone or iPhone via scanning QR code, or you can verify using OTP. So I will give you option of both of them. So on your phone you need to open your Playstore, and after that you need to search for ThinkQ app and install this application. After installing this application you need to open this application. So just tap on open, and you need to follow some online instruction, like you need to click on next, and you need to also give permission, like open this app permission. So make sure to give permission and follow the steps. Just click on next and simply follow the instruction. Here you need to sign up an account, sign up and log in with your ID and password. You can simply log in with your ID and password in this, and now you can just need to click on allow, and you need to click on add a device, and you can get a QR code, and you need to search for the QR code on your TV. So just tap on this and click permission, and you can allow simply connect your TV using this QR code. So very easy. So now second option is, now you need to select a device. You just need to tap on this, and after that you need to go to your TV. You will get an OTP. I will show you later on, but make sure that your TV and your phone both are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. So you can enter your Wi-Fi ID and password here. Both TV and phone should be on the same Wi-Fi network, and once you will get an OTP after connecting your Wi-Fi on both the devices, you need to enter OTP here, and now your TV and your phone will be connected to the same network, and now you will be able to do it. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.